Hello and welcome to Sonia's cookbook. Today we are making Goan red curry paste, which can be a base for various Goan curries like fish curry, vegetable curry or chicken curry along with other ingredients. So let's get started. To make the Goan red curry paste, we will need the following. We will need 1 cup of grated coconut, 3 large cloves of garlic, 3 small pieces of ginger, half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste depending on your taste, 4 to 5 red chilies, Kashmiri red chilies with seeds removed and soaked in hot water, or for a mild curry you can use 1/8 spoon of paprika. This is optional, so either you can add paprika or these chilies. For the dry spices, we will need a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, and around a half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix these well. So if you are not adding the chilies, you can add paprika powder to this right away and make your curry powder. We add all the ingredients into the blender. Grind to a very fine paste. If you like watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from us, and thanks a lot for watching.